All right, let's talk about what you can practice from this lesson. First thing, we learned some new rhythms, right? You got to know those, you got to memorize those. Next thing, we talked about posture, how to stand when you play, and how to sit when you play. How to have good body alignment, right? Good posture, and having a music stand. So if you're looking at music, you're not, looking at it down on the ground. That ruins your posture, right? We talked about how to read our slide position chart. You'll hear me call it a fingering chart, but for trombones, it's a slide position chart. And how to know all those different slide positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There's no 8th position, right? Just 7 of them. We talked about mouthpiece sirens, playing just on your mouthpiece, getting used to that sound and how to do that. We talked about playing on just part of your instrument. You could always do that. Just take out the tuning slide or take off the bell and play on just the slide. That's an awesome way to get good sounds and to work on your embouchure. Okay? And then we learned how to play the first 2 notes. Huge. That's a big deal. All right? Your first 2 notes. Remember low B flat or note number 1? That's in first position all the way in. And then C, 6th position. We talked about going back and forth between those 2 notes quickly, moving your slide fast, all that stuff. You had a couple play-along tracks you can play with. All right, all those things are good to practice. You want to practice every day, 10 to 15 minutes and more if you're loving it. That's awesome. Okay, practice every day. Have some fun.